Hey everyone! In today's video, we're diving deep into the fresh release of WordPress 6.5. This WordPress version is going to have a lot of new features to give users more control, more design options, and better functionality. Stay tuned as we explore how WordPress 6.5 can become your ultimate ally in creating a successful website. WordPress has come a long way, evolving from its origins as a preferred platform for blogging to becoming the ultimate choice for website creation. Its open-source nature has been a driving force behind its popularity. With a thriving developer community, WordPress offers a staggering 50,000-plus plugins that enhance its functionality. It is a testament to the platform's versatility. Now, we're excited to show you everything you need to know about the WordPress 6.5 update, including enhanced features for users to create and manage exceptional websites. Remember, if you are using Bluehost WordPress hosting, we automatically install the latest WordPress version upon release, so you don't have to worry about keeping your account up to date. Just enable the automatic update option in your Bluehost dashboard. WordPress 6.5 has a new feature called the Font Library, and it's exciting. This feature allows you to manage fonts in a streamlined way, making it easier to bring your site to life. To access the font library, go to Appearance, then Editor. Now, head to the Styles panel, click on Typography, and then select Font Family. From there, you can see all the fonts you have, add new ones, or even browse through Google Fonts for more options. If you have your own fonts that you want to use, no problem. You can easily upload them by navigating to the Upload tab and selecting your font files. And if you love Google Fonts like most people do, you can easily connect and install your favorites directly from your site. With WordPress 6.5, typography is no longer just a minor detail, but the foundation of your design. So, give it a try and take full control of your website's typography with the Font Library. You'll be happy to know that WordPress 6.5 has also introduced a Requires Plugins entry feature. Now, plugin authors can specify which plugins their creation depends on right in the plugin header. This makes things clear and straightforward for users like you. When you install a plugin with dependencies, WordPress will guide you through installing and activating everything you need. No guesswork, no hassle. Once all the required plugins are up and running, activating your main plugin is just a click away. And to ensure that your site runs smoothly, dependent plugins can't be deactivated by accident. You'll need to deactivate the main plugin first. This new feature saves you time and effort and makes the plugin installation process much easier. If you love creating content, WordPress 6.5 has some fantastic new features that can transform your editing experience. Let's start with the drop shadow effect. It's now available for images, columns, and buttons. Select your block, and under the Style panel, choose Custom Border and Shadow Design to add that extra flair. It looks pretty stylish, don't you think? Next up is the cover block. Now choosing overlay colors just got smarter. WordPress 6.5 automatically selects the perfect overlay color to complement your image's background. It's like having a designer by your side. For those who like to organize their content, renaming any block in the list view is now super easy. Simply click, rename, and keep your content structured exactly how you want it. No more hassle. Linking within your content, the new icons distinguish your blog and front page pages. And with the enhanced link control, editing, unlinking, or copying links is just a click away. Last but not least, the Preferences panel has had a makeover. With dedicated appearance and accessibility panels, your options are clearer and more accessible than ever before. If you love to customize your site using the site editor, get ready for enhancements that will take your site to the next level. Navigating your content is easier with grid and table views available in the site editor. These views make it a breeze to sort, preview, and edit your pages, patterns, and templates. Have you ever made style changes and then lost track of them? With WordPress 6.5, those days are gone. They've introduced clear style revisions, which means you'll be able to see exactly what changed and when. And if you spot the perfect version, simply click Apply to switch back. This feature is specifically for those looking to make their WordPress sites more interactive. Let's take a movie website as an example. With the Interactivity API, navigating to the next page of movie results is seamless, eliminating the need for a full page reload. Each movie includes a like button that synchronizes with the like counter in the header. This ensures that when you like a movie, the number of likes is instantly updated in both locations. When you visit an individual movie page, the likes are consistently preserved. You can play a movie trailer, and it will continue to play as you browse the site. Additionally, when you search for a movie, the trailer keeps playing, and the search results update automatically, all without a full page reload. It's designed to make your life easier and your site more dynamic. The possibilities are endless. You can create anything from simple animations to complex page navigations, and easily provide rich user experiences. So, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and make your WordPress site more interactive using the Interactivity API. The new version of WordPress is packed with exciting updates that make it even better to use. It's safe to say that 2024 is going to be a great year for WordPress users. Plus, we've got a great hosting partner in Bluehost. With our help, you can keep your WordPress site safe and up to date. Don't wait any longer. Start building amazing websites with ease. Happy website building!